the kid without the slingshot, and we are back doing crazy things again. I had to make that sound a little different because there's so many different intros out there. I mean, how can you can mess it up so many different ways, okay? I cleaned the bike up really nice today, washed and waxed it. I am currently heading to a beautiful and delicious, tasty car show put on by Boneyard Restoration and Customs. Incredible people that do incredible things to incredible cars that make incredibleness happen. Incredible! Incredible! Now that we've gotten all that out of the way, guys, I've been missing your beautiful faces. I've been missing vlogging on a regular basis. We gotta keep this thing going. I gotta bring the content to you guys. Make sure that you give this video one thumbs up. Just one. If somebody else has already given the thumbs up, I don't need it anymore. I'm excited about what winter's gonna bring. A lot of people kind of crank down and start slowing down towards the winter time. Me, it's just completely the opposite. There's going to be more riding because it's going to be cooler, be more picture taking, more creativeness, because when, you know, if you get cabin fever, you get a little interesting. Shameless plug, go over and check out the Twitch like I said in the last video, damn it. And if you watched the last video and you didn't, shameless plug, follow me on Twitch. I don't know what you're doing. It's a nice ride today, not a whole lot of traffic. Moving right along, ladies and gentlemen, getting on to our topic at hand. Now, if you saw the first shot, you saw that I still have the Harley. I'm not saying that it's done, okay? And I'm not saying that I'm not gonna do stuff to the Ducati. But unfortunately, the way the world turns and works is you have to make money to spend money, right? I love the fact that a lot of people stop me and say, man, that's a Ducati. And I look at it every day and I'm like, man, it's a Ducati. And then I think reliable, and then other people are like, no, Dennis, Ducatis are not reliable. They've never been reliable. Well, I got news for you, buddy. I'm going to put a link down in the description for a video that I watched earlier in the month. And it was about a gentleman that put like over 90,000 miles on a Ducati. And he talks about like all the wear and tear and the parts and stuff that happen with the Ducati. And he talks about how the maintenance hits, like how they range and what he does to do what he does. But it's just crazy to see where he takes it and the direction he travels with it. Brings the bike to the mechanics and they ask him, and it's like, man, how in the world did you put this much mileage on the Ducati? Like, this is not supposed to happen. You're not supposed to put this many miles on this bike, okay? You're supposed to like put it up in your garage, you know, rub on it every once in a while, hump it. You know, I am the same. I feel like I'm the same like this guy. I feel like this is currently my daily rider to work, to my real job. And I'm gonna continue riding it to work. And it just brings a whole different kind of genre to the channel. So if you don't like it, I'm sorry. This is not the only bike we're gonna ride on my channel. Woo! Let's get a little bit of speed in here. I like trying to push her to the limits every once in a while. Back to what I was talking about though, about the car show. It's absolutely incredible. You guys go over and check out Boneyard Restoration and Customs. I'll put the links down in the description for them, their Instagram account. They had some incredible cars that they've done over the past years. They do fabrication, they do suspension lowering, they do a lot of stuff over there. They do paint and body. They just got a lot going on for them. So you guys, make sure you give them a follow and a like. Make sure you give this video a follow and a like. Let's go check out this car show, okay, man? And get off my case, all right? Dennis is gonna provide content, but it has to be the right content. And Dennis loves your beautiful face. Enjoy the car show. I love your faces. We'll see you on the next one. I can't wait to keep doing things on this Ducati. Stay tuned for Surprise Saturday. Stay tuned for more Twitch. If you haven't followed, go over and follow, like I said, or I'll delete you. Rock out with your cock out. Love your beautiful faces. Goodbye.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. H6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and age. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record.
Alright folks, we made it out to Boneyard Customs Restoration Shop. As you can see tonight, the great cars that people brought out, the great attitudes, and of course the burnout contest.
That's a joke, tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, fuck up the back. Brody plot, but get a whack. Contract, give me the facts. I got laugh on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to blow them stuff for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to make no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record.